Thank you, Mr. President. The Human Rights Council may be the youngest of all United Nations bodies, but it upholds United Nations' long-standing commitment for the protection and promotion of human rights. This particular position makes the task of the Council most challenging. As the saying goes, that justice delayed is justice denied. 2 generations of Kashmiri people have been denied justice. Their human rights trampled as they voice their demand for the implementation of their right to self-determination. This right has been explicitly granted to them by the United Nations Security Council. The fundamental rights of the Kashmiri people are being suppressed under the number of draconian laws. Not a single family in Indian-occupied Kashmir has escaped the tragedies inflicted upon them by the Indian forces. Over 700,000 Indian troops have been granted special powers to flagrantly violate human rights of the Kashmiris. Custodial killings, fake encounters, and disappearances of innocent Kashmiri youth continue unabated. Mr. President, impunity is a rule, not an exception, for the Indian occupation forces in the Indian-occupied Kashmir. Kashmiris are subject to intimidation, searches and seizures, arbitrary detentions and arrests by the Indian security forces. Women are raped and youth killed. Although the Indian government and its representative regime in the valley have announced zero tolerance for human rights violations by the Indian security forces, yet the situation remains alarming. Even the Indian media daily reports cases of custodial killings and fake encounters perpetrated by the Indian security forces. It has been 6 decades that Kashmiris are being denied their fundamental rights. Moreover, they are subjected to every tool of oppression in vogue. The international community should not turn a deaf ear to the violations being committed in Kashmir. It should demand from India to stop violence against the Kashmiris. We also call for the repeal of draconian laws providing a cover to the forces of flagrantly violate human rights in Kashmir. We urge the Council to focus attention on the situation of human rights in Indian-occupied Kashmir. How long will the people of Kashmir continue to suffer while the world panders to Indian propaganda that all is well in Kashmir? I thank you, Mr. President.